Hello, welcome to Scrap Time. My name's Christine, and in this video I'm going to be showing you these clear designer toner sheets from Deco foil for Thermoweb and some foiling. So these sheets are a clear design and they have a toner design on it. So they're all ready to be foiled, and they come in different designs. This one is groovy and this one here is branching out. You get 4 sheets and they're 8.5 by 11 in size. So for it, I'm going to be using some foils. This one here, we have gold, rose gold, and a silver. And these foils come in packs of 20 and they're 6 by 12 inches wide. So to use these, it's very easy. I have some here I already foiled. I'll show you those first. You can see, my tape, that the design is now all shiny. This one I think is the silver. So to do it is really easy. So what I like to do, since it's 8.5 by 11, I cut down my foil to in half, because that's typically a size of a card. Now, one side is smooth, the other side has a texture. The texture side is the side that you want to foil. I'm going to do the branching one, branching out. So this side smooth, this side has a texture. So what we want to do is put it in our parchment and we lay it down. And then I put the gold side up. Whenever you're foiling, the color you want to see faces up. Fold it up. I'm going to get my laminator. This is the Royal Sovereign laminator. And I'm going to put it through. Now, if you were doing lots of these while this is going through, you can be spending time preparing the other ones ready to be foiled. And so when I do my foiling, I like to do a few at a time, as you can see. So I have all the sheets ready to go. I don't have to bring it out every single time I want to do a project. I'd rather foil a bunch of things at once. Bulk foiling, I guess, is the way you want to call it. And so I have a bunch of things ready to make projects. I also like to start heating up my laminator before, like while I'm prepping stuff. So even though it says it's ready in 5 minutes, I like to give it a longer time to really heat up, maybe around 20. Okay. So now, ta-da, the big reveal. Ooh. So you can see on this side here, on the foil, where all the foil came off, because we have that really pretty design. And then here on, you should be able to see how now it's gold. So it's that easy to make these beautiful designs. And then one way you can use it is I made a card and I just folded it in half. Now the great thing with this one is that it matched up. And then I just put a piece of paper on both sides so we know, so you can write your message inside and that covers it up. And then I put a butterfly that I showed you how to make in a previous video. So I just used that as my little embellishment. And then some of these Nouveau little sprinkles. Oh, it wasn't this one, sorry, it was this one. The Nouveau hexagons to make the butterfly trail right off the card. So that's one way you can use these clear shapes or clear sheets. So that is the clear designer toner sheets from Thermoweb. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos on YouTube. In the meantime, here are a couple other videos you might be interested in watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.